This was our first Disney cruise, and we got to board the Disney Wish. The ship was massive. It was crazy just to see it from the outside for the first time. Boarding a cruise is kind of crazy because you spend all these months planning and preparing. And when it actually comes, it's like, is this even happening? Look at the little sea turtle. So a couple of things to note about this video is this was back in 2022 during Halloween. Also, I know the format of this recording isn't ideal. This is spliced together from a TikTok series that I did. So this is the pool deck, main food court area. There's pizza, there's tacos, there's ice cream, there's burgers, there's barbecue. There's a ton of different things at the Festival of Foods. As you do, we decided to get a variety of things, including ice cream. On boarding day, you don't get your room right away, so definitely pack your swimsuit in your carry-on so you can check out the pools. Also pack some magnets so that you can decorate your door. If it's your first time sailing, don't miss the sail away party, and it'll be the first time you get to hear the horn. This is the infinity pool on the adult side at the back of the ship. Each night you have assigned dining, and this first night we were at Worlds of Marvel. Alcohol isn't included, but as far as the meals, you can order as many appetizers or entrees or desserts as you want. So try a couple of different things. Started out day 2 at the gym. This gym's pretty awesome. This was our first port stop, which was Nassau, Bahamas. We decided to stay on the ship. It was a little bit rainy, and we wanted to explore the ship more. The kids' club is included, so that's where they went, and we had some drinks. You'll also find these little ducks around the ship. The kids love finding them. If your kids love characters, you definitely get a lot of character time on the ship. Tonight's assigned dining was at the Frozen restaurant. And now day 3 on the ship. We got some coffees. They do this cool little art on top. So on this day, we were supposed to go to Disney's private island, Castaway Cay, but we weren't able to because it was too choppy. The weather was too bad, but we made the most of it and had fun at the pool. Every sailing, there's going to be a pirate night. So if you want to pack any costumes or things for pirate night dinner, there's also a show and fireworks on pirate night. Here's day 4. So our cruise was sailing during Hurricane Ian, which meant at times there was some bad weather, but the captain did a good job trying to steer us to better weather. The assigned dinner for this night was 1923. This is by far the best dinner. Super good filet mignon, churros, super good. We also found out due to the hurricane, we're going to be on the ship a little bit longer. So here's a bonus day on the ship. The kids didn't mind. That just meant an extra day of pizza and ice cream. As we were trying to avoid the storm, we passed by Castaway Cay and we could see the Disney Fantasy in the distance. We also found out we're going to need to be on the ship another day, so we actually might have a chance to go in Castaway Cay tomorrow. If you go to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, you can get free pixie dusting each night. So on our final bonus day, we actually did get to go to Castaway Cay. The island was amazing. We had fun snorkeling and enjoying just time at the beach. For our final dinner, we just decided to get chicken nuggies and watch a movie by the pool, and the kids passed out. They were exhausted. And that's our trip on the Wish.